Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I have a pretty exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you my Jamaican Christmas gift guide for her for 2020. So if you guys want to hear my gift ideas for her, please stay tuned. You guys, so before we get into the gift guide, I want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a like if you've been enjoying my content so far. Also please remember to check out the previous video on my channel. I want you guys to leave a gift in the comments below letting me know that you guys are watching. Also remember to check out my other channel called Yardments. Alright you guys, so I'm pretty excited about doing this video. I thought I would do it because recently on my Instagram, and if you're not following me at Just Devi Marie, please go ahead and do so. I actually put out a question and I was asking, like, you know, ladies, what would you want for Christmas? And I got some responses and I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna do a video on this. Some of my gift ideas basically are based on those, and some of those are just whatever I could think of. Now this is not a full and complete list, so you guys can always comment what you guys, if you're a lady or if you're a gentleman watching, you guys can also comment what you guys would like for Christmas this year. I will be giving you guys an idea of where you can go to get these services. Most of them I would have tried there before. I would have gotten a service done there, or I'd have bought something from them before. So I'm gonna recommend them to you. I'm not gonna recommend anybody that I do not know to be good. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there too. So I have put them in different categories, and the first category that I want to touch on is beauty. Alright, now so if you are a female, or if you know a female that is very into beauty, I would say it would be a good idea to get her a gift certificate from like a lash place. Lashes now are so big, everybody wants to get their lashes. Lashes kind of, even if you don't wear makeup like me necessarily, lashes kind of really bring off your face. I would recommend getting your lashes done at Luxe Beauty Loft. Now I have been there before and I've gotten my lashes done by them before, and I really did enjoy them. The customer service is very good also, and the price is definitely reasonable. They don't only do lashes, they also do like waxing services, so like brow waxing, underarm. They also do makeup and stuff like that, so you can definitely check them out. Also in the beauty category, if your lady is very big into braids, you can get her a gift certificate to get her hair done, whether it be braided or whatever style that maybe you know she likes. You can get her a gift certificate to get her hair braided. I know a lot of people, especially in the holiday time, love to change up their looks, and I feel like braids is a good way to kind of change up your look, but also braids usually wears for very long. I don't usually wear braids, but I have worn braids before, and I would recommend getting your braids done at Reaffirm. I'm gonna put all their information in the description and somewhere on the screen so you can check out some of their work. The customer service, again, very good. So I would recommend you getting your braids done there. Also Intense Styled, I would recommend you getting your braids done there also. And also Braids for Goddess is another one that I would recommend. All their information will be down below and or on the screen. Another thing that I could recommend in the beauty category is getting or gifting the person with a gift certificate or a treat to do their nails, whether a manicure or a pedicure. I would definitely recommend you doing that. That to me is like a really thoughtful gift. Around the holidays is when I usually get my nails done. I don't wear nails all the time, but trust me, that would be a gift that I would definitely appreciate, to get my nails done for the holidays. So you can give them a gift or a gift certificate, or just pay for the service. Contact the person that you know they go to and pay for the service. I've been to a couple people before, but I'm not really going to recommend anyone in that category, just because I tend to change nail techs a lot because yeah, so I don't necessarily have any recommendations for any nail techs that you guys can go to. But if you know the person that you are gifting goes to a nail tech, they're familiar with someone, you can definitely reach out to that person. The next thing I would say in the beauty category is getting them some hair products. If they're a naturalista like me I honestly would definitely appreciate hair products. Now, even if you don't know what hair products the person necessarily wants, what you could actually do is get them a gift certificate from Discount Beauty, which is where a lot of naturals shop, and they actually do have a wide variety of hair products, but not only hair products but other beauty products too, makeup and stuff like that. They do have those items too. So that's another idea if you know you're gifting a naturalist friend some hair products. That would be a good idea. I also want to mention also that Mallory Naturals, which is a brand that I've reviewed on my channel before, I leave the video in the cards. They actually have a really cool gift box, so I would recommend you checking out that gift box. It has basically everything you need to do to style your hair as a natural. So it has a leave-in, it has a curl, like a curling cream, moisturizer thing, it has an oil. But you guys can check out Mallory Naturals in order to see their gift box items. So that would be another thing that I recommend in the hair care category. Next category is the fashion category. So if your friend who you want to gift is very big into fashion, is a little fashionista, I would definitely recommend getting her some clothing items. If you don't want to get her clothing items because you're not sure of her style, you can get a gift certificate from Chic and Trendy, is one of them that I've shopped at before. Beat by Noise is another one that I see a lot, and I think that their clothing is very trendy. Those are fast fashion kind of places, but I also have seen a lot of thrift stores that have been popping up. And I mean, thrift is not necessarily, maybe not for everyone. Some people might look at it as, I'm not wearing clothes that people have already worn. But when I've been looking at a lot of these thrift places, trust me, their clothing items are top notch. They tell you the quality of them. A lot of them haven't even been worn or been worn once. And I mean, you can give that as a gift. Honestly, if I got a trendy piece of clothing or something that's timeless or some kind of vintage unique piece from one of those places, I honestly wouldn't feel away, and I probably wouldn't know the difference either. So you guys can check out some of the thrift stores that are Jamaican. So I would recommend for thrift stores, Thrift by Taj, I Thrift Jamaica, and the Thrifty Boutique. But I will leave all of them in the comments and on the screen, so I'm hoping that I said their Instagram handles right. But those are some that you guys can definitely check out. Also, if the person loves sandals like me, especially Jamaican made sandals, that also is a great gift to give. Some of the sandals places in Jamaica that I would recommend is Catalea JA. I do have sandals from them. Also Bridget Sandals JA is another popular one that I have sandals from, and also Lucy Sandals JA is another one that I would recommend. All these people have very good quality sandals, and if you don't want the sandals, leave your friend a road. You definitely need to get one of them proper sandal here, because you don't want your slippers to leave your road none at all. So make sure you get some genuine leather, good quality sandals, Jamaican made sandals that will last you. Trust me when I tell you that my sandals last me, them last me. And I can dress them up and dress them down, because them just wearable like that. Whether casual or going out, like I just love my Jamaican made sandals. I don't buy those little flippity floppity sandals no more. I literally only wear and buy Jamaican made sandals. So if you are purchasing for a female who is very into decor and who is very into like unique pieces, I would recommend going to a place like Fontana Pharmacy. They have branches all over the place. They are actually a one-stop shop for a lot of things, but their decor items are definitely very beautiful, very timeless, very unique. Some of them can be a little bit pricey, but what I would say to do is get a gift certificate for something like that and give the person so they can go there and shop for themselves. Another place that has really nice decor pieces and items is actually Azan Supercenter. It's a long time Jamaican name store that you can get basically anything similar to a Fontana. I think in terms of price range though, Azan is a little bit more affordable, but they still have really good quality stuff and unique stuff also. So if you have persons who are into those kind of things, definitely get a gift certificate from there, or check out their place and find a really nice piece to gift them with. Also in the decor homeware category, I would recommend getting them probably some paintings, and for that I would recommend Petology. She has paintings that she does that are really beautiful and unique. I'd recommend you getting a painting from her. Also, I recommend T Tracy Media. They do lovely photography, which they actually can put on canvas for you. So what they will actually do is check out the space maybe that you want, and based on that they do up canvas pieces to fit that space. Now when I tell you that their photos are beautiful and their photos are of Jamaica, like when I tell you say them photo them bam, and it's like when they are put on canvas, it becomes even like you feel it, they feel the realness, you feel the good vibes, you feel the nature even more. So that's something else that I would recommend. Also in the home decor and decor category, I would recommend getting some nice candles. There are lots of companies now in Jamaica that actually make candles, and one of them that I've actually used and really love, I was gifted it once upon a time, is Candles by Laura Alexis. She's a Jamaican also, and they're Jamaican made, and I love that with Laura Alexis's candles, the names are all in the Jamaican vernacular. So trust me, I honestly really love her candles, and that's something else that you can gift to someone who is like really into decor and fixing up their space. Candles are a really nice touch to any space, so I recommend getting some candles from there. So the next category of gifts that you can get is something personalized. You can get a personalized gift for her, whether it be jewelry, like some of the personalized jewelry that you see that I'm wearing. You can get some for her with a bracelet, ring, something like that. Women love jewelry, and trust me, it doesn't matter if it's flashy jewelry or simple jewelry, like you can find something and personalize it. The company that I would recommend for this is not a Jamaican company, but it's a company that I would have used to get these two items here. It's called Yafini Jewelry. I do have a review on it, and I have a link in each of one of my videos to where you can find any one of these pieces or any other pieces that you like on the site. But there are also a lot of Jamaican made jewelry. I've never bought from any of them before, but I think it's an excellent gift idea. Another company that I want to mention is Made by Moi. They actually do personalized like t-shirts, cups, mugs, tumblers, anything really that can be personalized, they do it, and I think that would be an excellent gift also. And also you can put together something, whether a basket of things that you know the person would like. It doesn't have to be big expensive things, but you can put together a basket of things that they'd like, or you know, something, put together something that you know would be very meaningful to them and personalize it in that way. The final thing that I would say that you can give her as a gift for 2020 is cash money. You can give her cash money. Now, one tip that I want to give you for giving women cash gifts is that any number that you have in mind to give the lady, just add 2 or 3 zeros on it, and that's the gift that you should give the lady. So that was my final gift idea for 2020. If you are looking to get her a gift, if you guys have any other gift ideas, please leave them in the comments. Remember to leave the gift in the comment to let me know that you are watching. Check out my other video and my other channel, Yardments. Remember to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys for the love that you guys have been showing me so far on my videos. We are growing, guys, and I'm very excited to see what next year will bring for my channel. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Also, I will be doing a part 2 of this video for men, for him, so stay tuned for that video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.